Hey guys, we're all packed up and ready to go. We have to make a few stops along the way, but I'm super excited. Are here. Unfortunately, there is a fire ban right now, and the air quality is really bad. Starting out this morning with some water. It's coffee time, coffee time.
Coffee cheers. Good morning.
Good morning. Always got that sizzle going on. That bacon looks so good already. I'm gonna steal me a piece before it's done. I smell the mushrooms. Mine's gonna be perfect. Look at that. Yeah, cut that right down the middle. Look at how good this looks. You got bacon, and here's my cheese omelet, and then all of the veggies on top. I cannot wait. Perfect anniversary breakfast. All right, so we went ahead and set up the tarp. Yesterday it was really smoky to the point where it looked foggy, and it kept the sun rays kind of at bay, but now the sun's in full force. So I'm gonna go get ready. I'm gonna get dressed and I'm gonna put on sunscreen, and then we're gonna chill outside, maybe play some dominoes under the tarp.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. Here it is. I got some spinach dip, a chicken and cheese rolled up in a low-carb tortilla, and then some veggies. Yum. Super simple, easy to make, on the go, doesn't require too much, and it's pretty much mess free. So, and it's keto friendly.
Ooh, this looks so good. I don't even know where to start. Delicious. Thank you.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more fun and adventures with me, Tasia.